Good morning, students. In worksheet 5 of chapter 7, we have to solve and check the solution of the following equation. Solve means we have to calculate the value of the variable and then we will put that value in the equation and we will check that whether it is correct or not. See question number 1, x plus 7 is equal to 9. Here x will be in variable, so it will be in the left hand side, and 7 is constant, so it should go in the right hand side, and 9 is constant, it is already in the right hand side. So when 7 will go in the right hand side, its sign will be changed. So here it is plus, here it will become minus. So x will be equal to 9 minus 7, 2. Now we have to check that whether this value 2 is correct or not. So first we will take the LHS, left hand side is x plus 7. Now we will put or replace this value of x in this left hand side. Now x is 2, so 2 plus 7, 9, and right hand side was already 9, and in right hand side there is no x, so we will not replace the value, and both sides are equal, so LHS is equal to RHS. It means our value is correct. See question number 2. Here x upon 4 is equal to 25. It is one term in fraction, so we will convert it into fraction, put the 1 in denominator, then we will cross multiply. First we will take that where variable is there, x into 1 and 4 into 25, x into 1x, 4 into 25, 100. So value of x is 100. Now we will check this value. So we will take the LHS, x upon 4. Now we will put x is equal to 100 in this equation. 100 upon 4, if we will cut it, we will get 25, and right hand side was already 25. So both the sides are equal, so LHS is equal to RHS. It means our value was correct. See fourth part, 15 minus x is equal to 4. So minus x will be there because it is variable, and plus 15 will go in the right hand side. Here it is plus and its sign will become minus. So it is minus x, and difference sign will be of greater number, and when two numbers are there only, when two terms are there only, single terms are there, and both minus can be cancelled. So x is equal to 11. Now we will check. Take LHS, that is 15 minus x. Now put x is equal to 11, this value, and now 15, x minus as it is, x will be replaced by 11, and 15 minus 11 is 4, and RHS was also 4. RHS is 4, so both sides are equal, so we have calculated the correct value. See question number 5, 3x minus 3 is equal to 15. So first of all we will multiply 3 with both the terms by using distributive property. 3 into x, 3x, minus as it is 3 into 3, 9. Now variable in the left hand side, and this constant will go to the right hand side. So 15 minus 9 plus 9. So 3x, 15 plus 9, 24. Now only single term are there in both the sides. So take the coefficient of x in the denominator. Now we'll cut it. 3 8 is 24. X is equal to 8. So this is our answer. Now we will check. Take the LHS. Put the value of x which we have calculated. Now 3 as it is, bracket start, x will be replaced by 8 minus 3. So first of all we will solve the bracket. 3 as it is, 8 minus 3, 5. Now we will multiply both of them. 3 y is 15, and in right hand side it was already 15, so both the sides are equal. See question number 1, 7y plus 3, 6, 7y plus 3. It is variable, 3 is constant, will go in the right hand side, sign will be changed. 7y is equal to 9 minus 3 is 6. Now both are single term. Take the coefficient of y in the denominator, 6 upon 7, because they are not cancelled, so we will leave that as it is. So answer is 6 upon 7. Now for checking, take the LHS. LHS is 7y plus 3. Put the value of y, 6 by 7. So 7 multiply, there is no sign between them, so we will put the multiply, and y is replaced by 6 upon 7 plus 3. 7 will be cancelled with 7. 6 plus 3, 9. And in the right hand side it was already 9, so both the sides are equal. This is the question of BT. First question, B part, and this is C part of B. Here 0.5 y is equal to 1.5. We have to calculate the y. This is same, but there is decimal, so there is no worry about decimal. This is one term, this is one term. Take 0.5 to the denominator, and see here from the right hand side digits are after equal digits, so we can cancel the digits decimal. So it will become 15 upon 5, and if we cancel 5 1 5, 5 3 15, so answer will be y is equal to 3. Now see, this is E part of question number 1, B part, and B part, E part of B. X plus 2.4 upon 2, this is one term in fraction, so putting the 1 and we will do the cross multiply. 1 multiply this, multiply 2 into 3. So 1 into x, x, and 1 into 2.4, 2.4, 2 3 ja 6. So this 2.4 will go to the right hand side, sign will be changed. So when we subtract them, we will convert it into like decimal. 6 can be written 6.0. See here, 6.0 minus 2.4, we will get 3.6. So its answer will be x is equal to 3.6. Question number 6, B part of brain teaser, y plus 3 by 2 is equal to 5. Here this is in fraction, so we will do the same process. There is no worry about this fraction. Take this term to the right hand side, its sign will be changed, it will be minus 3 by 2. Because it is in fraction, so convert it also in the fraction. So take the LCM of 1 and 2 is 2, divide this 2 by 1, 1 2 ja 2, and that answer 2 will be multiplied by 5. So we will get here 5 2 ja 10. Now minus as it is, divide this 2 by this 2, we will get 1, multiply that 1 by 3, you will get 3. So 10 minus 3 is equal to 7 by 2, so this is the answer. Now check it, take the LHS, y plus 3 by 2, replace y 7 by 2, 7 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Here in case of addition, we take the LCM of the denominator. LCM of 2 and 2 will be 2. So again we will do the same process, divide this 2 by 2, we will get 1, 1 7 is 7, plus as it is, divide this 2 by 2, we will get 1, 1 3 is 3, 7 plus 3 10, 10 upon 2 5, and in the right hand side it is already 5. So both sides are